Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Blossom Valley. I hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm taking you guys to a solution store, so you can check that. And this is a really special store. So I always used to watch videos like must have from Amazon, a must have from so many other like to me and other online stores where they provide lot of decluttering the house and organization solutions and lot other solution related to home. So I found this solution store really handy. Anything you want to check and you want to get the idea of the storage and the container size, you can go to this store. I mostly go to this store and check all the kind of container that I need for my kitchen, and then I actually order it from Amazon or any other third party portals. So definitely check out this video. You'll find lot of things which you might need in your kitchen, and you can create your kitchen, your space really organized and have a modernized kind of area for keeping all your stuff. Guys, they do have really large variety of kitchen organization solutions, but don't worry, they do have a lot of makeup organization stuff, your laundry room organization stuff too, so that you will see ahead in this video. So stay tuned for that. Oh, they have different leads.
Let's forward.
uh, See the images, you will see this is for like some sprinkling sugar maybe.
Yeah, like
This
you
is
can put it on top
this
of
is something that you can write a note on this if you want to write anything.
this.
This is for shredding. नो दिस इज ये कप बन जाएगा और इसके अंदर फिर आप डालोगे जो भी ड्रिंक डालना है शॉट्स. And guys, if you are new to this video, hi, my name is Smriti. I make lifestyle travel blogs and shopping blogs like this from Canada. So my most of the videos are related to Canada, so you can check this channel Blossom Valley, and please don't forget to subscribe and check my other videos also that I have already uploaded. Please hit the bell icon so that any video I upload in future, so that you can watch it as soon as possible and you'll get the notification the time when I upload it. So let's continue with this video. So yeah guys, that's all in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and you got some ideas how the solution store is in Canada. So definitely check this out, and if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I will be coming back with lot more other videos which will help you guys. And see you in the next video guys. Thank you so much for watching again. Take care and bye.